I am devoted to the divinity of all existence. The eternal truth is Brahman. Eternal, infinite, omnipresent, yet beyond all conception. The most we can say about it is that it seems to have the qualities of Satchidananda. Satchidananda, existence, consciousness, bliss. It is resplendent in its divine truth aspect. In this aspect, there is no conception of selfhood. There is no conception of male or female, self or others. Both Shiva and Shakti are contained within Brahman, undefinable from each other and from Brahman. It is in self-expression and reflection that all is defined. Shiva, the male conception, is consciousness. It is ego focused totally on overcoming ego to be one in Brahman. Shakti is the impetus, the drive to self-expression. From the interplay of Shiva and Shakti comes the infinite expression of the phenomenal universe. This is a sample of the sort of philosophy found in my spiritual tradition, more ancient than the Bible, and yet resonant with quantum physics. Love you all.